Hey guys, it's Hannah, and I'm here with my little sister,
Hello.
Lucia, and we're gonna be exploring the woods in our backyard. Hopefully we can see some animals. But look, an apple tree. Sometimes deers eat there.
Yeah,
So if we can see a deer,
a golf cart. I'm ready.
so let's go. Okay, so we just entered. Oh my gosh. It goes deeper than this, but it's just very twiggy. I know. There's a piece of a
dead Barbie.
Ken doll or something.
Hannah, did you bring the juice box with you?
Yeah.
Dang.
We brought some juice boxes just in case we got hungry. We also brought grapes
Just a small little thing.
because we might want to feed animals. Period. Okay.
I'm gonna put these ear mufflers on when I get cold for my ears because like I can't hear anything. But I know you told me period just a second ago.
So this is a cool area in our backyard just because there's like trees all over the place, twigs, and then there's just this open area and you could camp, put a tent here. I think that's really cool. But just wait. If we go a little further, there's actually, be careful, Lou. Actually, a little stream of water. As you can see, I think we're gonna go down there.
There's a way over there.
So once we get down there, we'll get back to you. Say bye.
Bye.
But not like actually, we'll be right back.
Actually bye.
So we are trying to get down there right now. And I'm scared. Ow. It's got poked. Okay. Oh my god, I almost just fell. Look at all the rocks.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh my gosh, I fell too.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
That's another trust 3.
Oh my god, I almost just fell again. I'm scared we're gonna fall. Have you went down here before?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah, you saw me once too.
Okay. We got. Oh my god. Lou, I literally just almost slipped. I'm getting so scared. It's slippery. These shoes are not made for this. I mean, if I fall, I won't die, so.
Yeah, I don't think I can do this. Here, I'll see you.
Okay, we'll get back to you guys once we get down there. Okay, I'm like halfway down. I'm sitting on a rock. You see it's pretty much down there, but look at how cool this is. This is like the first time I really explored over here because we kind of moved here recently. But yeah. Here it is again. Okay guys, we just made it down. And we are moving. So pretty. So we decided, oh no.
Just do it, then touch yourself and start running.
What do I do?
You just know, you're gonna want to go like this. You're gonna want to get your foot just in there just a little bit. You want your foot won't get fully wet until you get.
Okay, I'm jumping.
Just do this. You
There we go. So I think we're gonna go this way.
And then come back this way.
Okay. What is this?
What?
Is this like some type of animal?
What?
Look at that.
That's definitely a deer.
Some type of fur of some sort? That's pretty cool.
Maybe they...
This is so beautiful. It's so peaceful. Look at how these rocks just shaped. That's awesome.
I'm gonna go over to this side, okay?
Alright. I will say it's really slippery over here. And I keep falling. And my feet are wet. And I'm scared. I'm gonna go over, maybe over there. Whew. Great. Foot submerged. Yay! Little waterfall action. She's so ahead of me. Great. Oh, I don't know how this is gonna work. Walking right through. Yep. Oh! So peaceful. And a busted dance move.
Wait, is it on? I tapped it, yeah. Okay. Hey guys, and me and my sister are having a panic attack. My sister just slipped into the river because she was dancing far away. And look how peaceful it is. This camera's waterproof, so I'm pretty sure we can like put it underneath the water. I don't know. You can. Well, how do you think they did that swimming video? I don't think we can. Maybe we need like a case to do it on. Okay, now we finally got somewhere where we can actually walk. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'll see you when we get a little bit further. So yeah, ground. They are so aesthetic. Look at those blueberries. So just got my feet soaking again for the third time. Guys, this is terrifying. And I still have my grapes, and I lost one walking here. And the snoosh. She's gonna watch this video. Ooh, it's like something like a fox lives here.
Yeah, stick it down in there.
Okay. Here, I know.
Put it in that hole too. Is it recording the right way?
Yeah. Did you guys see anything? Because we did not.
Some garbage.
We need to get like a... Who does this though?
Look at this. Look at those roots. It's crazy. Lucia, I think we came to our first trip.
What is it?
Look ahead.
Oh, God. I'm not really falling.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you're just like...
So Lucia falls. Ow. Found it going up this hill. Seeing what's up there. It's slippery. Slippery.
You gotta dig your feet. You gotta dig the front of your shoes in there.
Oh my god, I can't get up here, Lou. Okay, so we're just gonna chill here for a minute, I guess.
We're gonna have a lunch break right here.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try to go a different way.
How about here? How about we sit where these boxes?
Oh my god, it's so slippery everywhere. Lucia, I need help.
Here, I'll take the GoPro.
Here. She's taking the GoPro. I'm gonna try to climb. like a dog.
Girl, I got it on video. This is gonna
We got up!
Okay, how? And I bet you this is our first, like our fourth video, and I bet your channel's gonna go viral. Like in 5 years. Kidding, probably like 2.
We're gonna take a break on this log.
And we're gonna drink our juice boxes.
I got some juice boxes.
But we can't eat these grapes because they've been in the water, infected.
Yeah, so we're just gonna leave these out here, I guess, for animals to eat. Should we just throw them?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, we're just gonna like, yeah, just.
I'm gonna get more this way because that's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be a special spot.
I feel so connected with nature.
Like nature.
That's our baby girl.
So I'm just gonna put my plastic in my little sleeping apartment. Save the turtles. Save any animals actually.
Mm-hmm.
You know your juice box?
When we get back up.
This juice box is busted.
So we'll get back. Once we start moving more, we'll show you around the area, and yeah. So we are a little confused where we are. This is where we came from. This is like the river. It goes back that way. I don't know if you can see.
But this is track and this is the highway.
And then there's like a road there. And there's another stream leading back this way. So I think me and Lucy are just gonna walk on this part around and see where that takes us.
Yeah, then we're gonna go to the left the left way. And no, kind of the right way to be honest, when we find back where we came from. Because that's where we said we were gonna go after this.
This is like the direction where we came from. Ow. But yeah, we have like high ground now. You can see where we just were. Look at these mushrooms. Lucia saw them, which is a good eye.
Yes, I do.
I also just wanted to show you guys
These are not mushrooms.
I'm pretty sure they're mushrooms. Oh, sis. These, they were mushrooms. And there's also more on this. Look at all them. Have a whole family. Lucia's killing them.
I love nature.
Woo!
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna stop.
This is like the open area I was talking about. We pretty much just did a whole loop, and I see like our backyard. So that was like exploration 1 with me and my little sister Lou. And there's a lot.
We still have that one to go to.
Yeah. There's a lot more to explore.
Yeah, how about you?
So there's a lot more to explore around here. So if you like videos like this, we will definitely explore more because I want to, and so does my sister.
Yeah.
But like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Lou, say bye.
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 Yes, queen.
Peace. Here's 2 bonus clips. So, Lucia got a little muddy because she ran through this for some reason.
I want to see some real speed.
Lou, look, show me your back of your legs. Oh no, are those new?
Mom's gonna get the sand on them, right?
Hopefully. I'm not sure how mud is with stains.
Okay.
So now she has to get back over here. Oh. Oh God.